guys, welcome back to Budget Friendly Cooking. I am Donna and today we're going to make simple lentil soup with potatoes, carrots, zataar spices and some tahini sauce. So that's gonna give a wonderful flavor to our very simple ingredients that are lentils, potatoes and carrots. So we're gonna start with lentils. I have about a pound of lentils here. I'm gonna put them in the medium-sized pot and we're gonna rinse that first. Just a little bit, you know, just rinse to get all the dust out. Okay, I'm gonna put everything together. So all the ingredients. I'm not putting too much water because I want that like a stew, not like a soup. So just to cover the lentils and maybe like 1 inch above that. And then I have here 4 small russet potatoes. You can use any potatoes that you guys have at home. I just happen to have this one. You peel the potatoes. You can cut them into small cubes, just bite-sized cubes, because I kind of have this vision that everything should be small, bite-sized pieces. These lentils do not take a long time to cook. Usually takes about 30 minutes. And I think this will be perfect time for everything to cook nicely. Beautiful. Now we have 1 yellow potato. I would put everything here, all those potatoes. Have these baby carrots, so which we're gonna chop. We don't need to peel those. Makes our life easy. I like to use the carrots because it kind of gives the flavor and also gives nice color, because lentils are quite brown and dull and you need some color in your food, right? I'm gonna add chicken bullion, a cube, to give a nice flavor to that. And pretty much that's it. Maybe just a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit, and put it on the stove. Ta-da! And forget it for 30 minutes. So the rest of the ingredients will be very simple. Maybe a garlic clove, zataar spices, and then at the end I'm gonna add tahini, just, you know, tahini paste, and lime juice to give it nice bright flavor. And that will be it. Done. Let's just chop that so that we have the cilantro ready, and maybe pour ourselves a glass of wine or make a cocktail. Okay, about 30 minutes later, I actually added a little bit of water, and I might add just a little more so it's kind of more soft, stewy. So we're gonna add cilantro, gonna add zataar spice mix, 2 teaspoons, and I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of tahini paste. Okay, and a little more olive oil at the end, and some lime juice. Yes, we're gonna add a little water here, and look at this beautiful lentil stew. Taste, just try if the lentils are cooked. Should be. I like when it's little al dente. Perfect. It's already perfect. But we need to add lime juice here. Drizzle olive oil and turn this off. I'm gonna serve. So when you're serving it, we need a little more olive oil. Serve it with the wedge of lime, zataar spices. I don't have any more cilantro left. And let's try. Looks like very nice and stewy. This is fantastic. Oh my god, this is so good with tahini sauce. This is actually, I never made this stew before. When I wanted to make something with lentils, everything just came to my mind, like, oh, tahini, zataar, all these Middle Eastern flavors. And that's how I created this wonderful, really wonderful and comforting dish for this cold and horrible day that is going outside. And I'm so happy I don't have to go outside and I can sit and enjoy this beautiful bowl of lentil stew with veggies and za'atar spices and tahini sauce. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to make it. Make sure you let me know how you like it in the comments, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.